clean jars. I like to use small jars because you're only taking this a teaspoon at a time. If I were to bottle it in a quart jar, that's really just too much to use at a time. And this is kind of precious. So I like to just put it in the really tiny jars. Then water bath the jars for 10 minutes. Because I live at a higher elevation, I water bath mine for 20 minutes. You might want to call your local extension agency to check on exactly how long you would need to water bath yours. This elderberry syrup is bottled, so it is shelf stable for at least 1 year. If you would rather, you could just put it in containers and put it in the freezer and it will stay good for 3 to 6 months, or in the refrigerator and it will be good for about 3 weeks. However, because I'm a prepper and shelf stable is really important to me, I really like to bottle it and just be able to stick it on the shelf and know that it will be there when I need it. If you have cold or flu symptoms, it's a good idea to start taking 1 teaspoon for every waking hour. But if you're just wanting to give your immune system a boost, 1 teaspoon daily should be able to take care of that.